What's going on, guys? My name is Junior Safar here from Go for Growth Media. Welcome to another video. In this video, I'm going to share with you 4 proven ways you can make money. You know, everyone in the world wants to make money. Even the essence of making this video is to make money. If you want to make money just like me wanting to make money, then there are 4 proven ways that one could make money. Everyone who has been a successful billionaires or millionaires around the world are making money either in one of the 4 proven ways. That is why I've looked at it very important to share with you the 4 proven ways you can make money. One of the way I think you can make money, and it has proved that every other successful millionaires around the world has worked through, is by working. By working, you kind of give out your services in return for money. You can either be employer or employee in order to get money out of this service. Perform certain duties for a fee, and that fee is being given to you. If you are able to save that return that you're getting from that service, then you make a lot of money out of it. The number 2 way that you can make money is by selling. You know, if you know the number of people who've made money through selling, you can't underestimate this form of making money. You sell out something in return for money. A lot of people who are engaged in this form of making money are making headways in the money making world. Like people who try to invest in real estate, people who invest in other entrepreneurial skills are all making money through selling their services. You can even sell out your services if you are a teacher, you know, you are a web designer. All those ways, selling out your services will bring you a lot of money at the end of the day. So the second way from this tutorial you can make money is by selling. The third proven way you can make money is by lending. Lending is one proven way one could make money. You see the banks, you've got the microfinance institutions, you have other financial institutions that are making millions and millions of dollars today, basically because they are using the means of lending money. You and I usually go to the bank out there to lend money. In return, we pay an interest to that amount. The interest we are paying is a means through which that lender or the bank is making money. The bank is not just there to sit and receive your money, then save your money, then kind of cash out your money when you need it. It's basically because there are few interests towards your savings or few interests towards your loans. That's why they are out there working tooth and nail in establishing various banks. The number 4 proven ways you can make money is by owning income producing assets. You know, if you have assets like you have your car, you have your real estate, you are investing in cryptocurrencies, you have cash in the bank, these are all proven ways you can make money. You can make money if you have a whole building that you want to sell out there for a profit, or you have land, or you have your car, or whatever asset that you think you can transform and make money. Those are the 4 proven ways you can make money around the world. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you find values in this video, and that of the like button, because if you hit that like button, this video is going to be shown to a lot of viewers by YouTube. That is the video then there giving you the 4 proven ways you can make money. I advise that you go through either of these 4 proven ways. You try to make your own money and then you become a millionaire. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.